You're finally feeling more confident, but what now? It's a great feeling, but without action, it fades fast. Here's a quick way to turn that confidence into real career or side hustle momentum. I'm opening ChatGPT and typing this prompt. Give me three career, freelance, or business ideas that fit someone who's recently gained confidence and wants to take action. You can tweak the prompt based on your skills, interests, or goals. Now hit enter, and just like that, you've got real ideas you can start exploring today. If you want help turning your confidence into something real, I link the confidence challenge below. Step 5 walks you through 4 online business models perfect for beginners. So you can take action, build something new, and create opportunities backed by your new energy. Go check it out.